I want you to imagine that you're in a cinema, and this is your cinema, so you can sit wherever you want to sit. It's dark all around you, and up in front of you is a big bright screen. And up on the screen there's a film running, and this film is of you in your safe place. So just take a moment or two to enjoy watching yourself up there, up on the big bright screen. And as you watch yourself up there, notice everything about you that lets you know you're safe and secure. You're calm and relaxed. Maybe it's the way you're moving, maybe your posture, maybe the expression on your face, or there might be something else that lets you know you're completely safe and secure. And as you watch yourself up on the big bright screen, notice what you're wearing and notice the colour of your clothes. And I want you to use your imagination to make those colours brighter and better, so you stand out from the background as if a spotlight is shining on you, and you can really enjoy watching yourself. And as you do, notice everything else you can see up there, up on the big bright screen. And again, notice all the colours of everything you can see. Now make those colours brighter and better, as if you're watching in high definition, and the screen starts to move toward you, getting bigger as it does. And as it does, you can float out of your seat in the cinema, up into the film, and down into your body. So now you're really there, in your safe place. Because you're there now, you're looking out through your own eyes. Notice everything you can see, everything that reminds you that you're safe and secure now. You're calm and relaxed. Maybe there are sounds you can hear, sounds in the distance, sounds closer by. Just notice them now. Maybe there are smells you can notice. And we don't always notice smells at the time, but now you think of it, there's a familiar smell that reminds you that you're safe and secure. Take a moment now to notice how your body knows you're safe. Notice the sensations in your body that let you know you're happy and confident in your safe place, where you can just be yourself, where you can trust yourself completely. There's no need to think about things. You can trust yourself completely now. No need to overthink things. You can just allow them to happen. Now that you're happy and confident, now that you're in control. Again, think about how your body knows that you're safe and secure now. In a moment, I'll ask you to squeeze a fist tightly with one hand. At the same time as you take a deep breath in and hold your breath for 3 seconds. Then I'll ask you to breathe out. And as you do, just say the words safe and secure quietly to yourself in your own mind. And then as you sink deeper down into these feelings, as your body remembers feeling safe and secure, calm and relaxed, in your safe place, where you can trust yourself completely now. So let's do that now. Take a deep breath in as you squeeze a fist tightly with one hand. Now hold your breath for 1, 2, 3 seconds, and as you breathe out now, sink deeper down into calm relaxation as you say the words safe and secure to yourself in your own mind. And now with each easy breath out that you take, sink deeper down into the memory of being in your safe place. With each easy breath out that you take, you're feeling more calm and relaxed. So you're using your breathing to help you relax more deeply still. You can enjoy all the feelings that you're aware of in your body now, and you can enjoy these feelings for as long as you choose. In a moment I'll count up from 1 to 5, and with each number that I count, you'll feel yourself becoming more alert and refreshed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes.